Hello, good day everyone. Today we will be looking at creations of forms. So I'll be making use of Google, Gmail, my Gmail software. We'll be talking about creation of questionnaires as a project manager. So you are going through the planning stage. You want to understand the stakeholders within the project. One way to understand the stakeholders within the project is to create a stakeholder management plan. And in order for you to create a stakeholder management plan, the first thing any smart project manager should do is to create a questionnaire to collect data. So that questionnaire that you've created will help you to serve as a guide to know what stakeholders you've got on that project, how to manage them. So let's not take much of your time. I'll just go on to create that form for new project managers that don't know how to create forms. You can make use of your Google Form platform. So when you click on your Google Form, on the new sheet, we've got an empty sheet here. So I can write the name on this section just to have a full details of what I'm doing. So I'll say stakeholder questionnaire. And on here, just moved that name on here, but we can always change how we want that questionnaire title to look like. So that stakeholder questionnaire is for the folder section. So let's give that questionnaire a different name from that stakeholder questionnaire. So let's say questionnaire stakeholder feedback form. Okay, so we can quickly write our description on there. So the questionnaire is designed for interest person in this project, so it could be direct or indirect interest on this project. So the first thing that we want to get from the stakeholder is their basic identification, stakeholder name. Okay, we had a new section we can duplicate if we know that the question that we're asking next is the same. Okay, so on the contact details section we will have provide us with your email address. Okay. So we can say what is your preferred So this section we can change it into tick box. Let's make it a drop box so that they just tick. Name, phone, meeting, mouse. Okay, so let's quickly duplicate this one. So on this section we want to know their involvement in the process, in the project, in terms of their interest and influence on the project. So we are using our 3-bedroom duplex simulation as a template for this questionnaire. Let's create a checkbox. Say financial, operational, technical, regulatory, then end user / client. So others. Move to the next one. Actually foresee successful outcome for this project. Okay, so we can request a short answer on that section. Duplicate. Events or preference for this project. So on this one we choose short answer. Got all the necessary questions. And you can say please rate this questionnaire on the scale of 1 to 5. How was your experience using it? Okay, so quickly put on that rating. Okay, scale of 1 to 5. Okay, so that is your questionnaire. So in some cases you could require the respondents to click more than one. So let's do that for this one. Okay. So got what we need. So I'll come to this section and click to preferred. Okay. Yeah. Then the submit button. So you need to publish it. Click on here, manage anyone with the link. Okay, so anyone with the link can copy. So let's give it a go. Automatically created on here. So with this you can do your analysis after the end of the process. Thank you. This is basically what I want to share on this one. Please do well to subscribe to this channel. It is built to bring you the best practice in the field of project management and to encourage newbies to come into the profession and be part of this big family. Do well to like and subscribe. We're excited to have you in our community. Thank you very much.